Hello, it's your girl Pinky. Welcome to Unique Alien Pinky Makeup. As you can see, I have one eye done and not the other. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do this look. You already know what to do. Make sure you guys stick around. So I'm not gonna be doing talking here on YouTube, but if you want to be hearing what I'm listening on the background or whatever's going on, go to the main video, which is going to be on Rumble, and it's the same name as my username, Unique Alien Pinky Makeup. So go subscribe to me on Rumble if you want to hear what's going on in the background. So yeah, so I'm gonna be watching a movie or listening to music, whatever, and then talking. So you want to hear, go over there. But you just want to watch, just stick around to the whack ass music that YouTube allows me to play. Alright, let's get to it. But let me show you guys really quick before we get started. So I use some liquid eyeliner. We got some eyelash. This is the palette that I'm gonna be using. Well, that I use. So I use these two right here. And then, well, these three colors right here, and then black. So yeah, oh yeah, and also concealer. So yeah, I'm gonna be using foundation. I'm gonna be contouring my face as well. So let's get to it. We'll be right back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The world is not prepared to face a being from another planet. You have to have a lot of patience.
Yeah.
Alright, baby girl, so this is the final look. So I put on the wig, some glitter on my lips, some eyelashes. So yeah, bam. It's like a Egypt kind of look. So yeah, so I did black, dark blue, and gold. So yeah. So bam. I got more of my baby girls up there hanging. Yeah, I'm cleaning them up. I got some more that I need to clean up over there. But yeah, so bam. Just along here. Alright, thank you baby girls for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe to Rumble. Bam. Also check me out on TikTok and also on IG. Peace out, baby girls.
Alright, thank you baby girls for watching. Hope you guys like this video. See you guys on the next video. Make sure you guys subscribe to me on my Rambo channel. See you guys next time. Peace out.